Hi everyone, this is Rajni here. I'm taking care of mutual funds and third-party distribution at LKP Securities. Welcome to Knowledge Series of LKP. Today I'm going to talk about Smart SIP. Well, a lot of investors are not aware about a lot of features about SIPs. That your SIP amount can also be started with a minimum of 500 rupees. Your SIP amount need not be only monthly investment. It can be daily SIPs, fortnightly, weekly, quarterly, monthly. All these options are available under SIPs. Well, what is a Smart SIP? Some of the features gets added in the SIPs instead of having the plain vanilla systematic investment plan that particular amount gets debited from your account on a particular date and gets invested in the scheme. So instead of that, there are various features that can be added in your SIP. For example, step-up SIP. Well, what is step-up SIP? Your systematic investment plan will gradually increase over a period of time instead of having the same amount of SIP every year. Let's say, for example, if my income is increasing every year by 10%, I can have my SIP also get increased by 10% every year. Assume that I have a 5,000 SIP monthly. So if I have a 10% step-up SIP yearly option in this, so automatically for the first year my SIP will get debited 5,000 rupees. From second year onwards my SIP will get debited 5,500, and then third year 6,000, and it goes on. So this is called step-up SIP. And there are another more options called Flux SIP. Flux SIP is nothing but flexible amount. The amount keeps changing based on the market condition. This option is also called trigger SIPs. Let's say, for example, we can set our SIP based on the index movement. So assume that for this particular month the market is constantly going up, so automatically my systematic investment plan gets invested less amount for the particular month. And if the market falls, and automatically my SIP amount gets increased for that particular month. So this will help you to accumulate more number of units in your portfolio and generates the alpha in your portfolio. There are few plans where it reads the PE of the market, and based on the PE movement your SIP amount keeps changing. There's another option called SIP pause. A lot of investors when they are in financial crunch and they want to straight away go ahead and stop the SIPs when they do not want to continue the SIP for some period of time. So instead of completely cancelling your SIP, you can opt for a SIP pause option. SIP pause option can be available, depends on AMC to AMC, from 1 month to up to 6 months. And for that particular month your SIP gets paused and automatically resumes back when your SIP pause period gets over. So this will help you to continue your SIP, continue your account as it is instead of cancelling your SIP. You can opt for SIP pause and continue later. So these are some of the features of SIPs. There are more features like systematic withdrawal plans, systematic transfer plans, etc. So we'll keep updating you about the various features about mutual funds, and we'll try to do about insurance also. We'll try and give you update on the insurance also, on the health insurance and life insurance, how you're supposed to select your health insurance plan, or how you're supposed to choose your life insurance plans, etc. So keep watching and stay tuned, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.